welcome to the English session. Today, shall we revise the alphabet from A to Z? Before that, we'll sing the phonic rhyme and revise the sound. You should all do the actions with me. Are you ready? Yes. Ants on the apple, Ants on the apple, is the sound of A. Balls are bouncing, balls are bouncing, is the sound of B. Caterpillar's coughing, caterpillar's coughing, is the sound of C. Dolls are dancing, dolls are dancing, is the sound of D. Elegant elephants, elegant elephants, is the sound of E. Five flamingos, five flamingos, is the sound of F. Goats are giggling, goats are giggling, is the sound of G. Helicopters hovering, helicopters hovering, is the sound of H. Ink in the ink pot, ink in the ink pot, is the sound of I. Jelly beans jumping, jelly beans jumping, is the sound of J. King kick the kettle, king kick the kettle, is the sound of K. Lions licking lollipop, lions licking lollipop, is the sound of L. Monkeys are munching, monkeys are munching, is the sound of M. Nuts in the nutshell, nuts in the nutshell, is the sound of N. Old orange octopus, old orange octopus, is the sound of O. Popcorn's popping, popcorn's popping, is the sound of P. Queen waiting quietly, queen waiting quietly, is the sound of Q. Rats are running, rats are running, is the sound of R. Sausages are sizzling, sausages are sizzling, is the sound of S. Tiger on tiptoes, tiger on tiptoes, is the sound of T. Up umbrellas, up umbrellas, is the sound of U. Violent volcanoes, violent volcanoes, is the sound of V. Wibble wobble walrus, wibble wobble walrus, is the sound of W. Fox in the box, fox in the box, is the sound of X. Yak is yarning, yak is yarning, yak is the sound of Y. Zigzag zebras, zigzag zebras, is the sound of Z. Yes, very good, children. Now, shall we see how to write the alphabet? Okay. What is this? This is capital A. And this is small letter A. After that, we are going to take a finger space. And what is the next alphabet? It is B. Capital B, small b. Okay, and then finger space, capital C, small c. What comes after C? It is D. Correct. I'm taking a finger space again. Then what is this? What alphabet is this? Capital D. And this is small letter D. What comes after D? It is E. Very good. This is capital E and small e. See how am I writing? I am not going above the line or below the line. Okay. All the capital letters are touching the red line. And small letters we usually write only between two blue lines. Alright. What comes after E? It is F. Am I correct? Yes. Capital F, small letter F. And after F, G. But what should I be doing now? Correct. I should be taking the finger space. That looks neat, isn't it? So after the finger space, I'm going to write letter G. Capital G. And then small letter G. Correct. This is small G. And after G, H. Capital H. And then small letter H. And what comes after H? I. Correct. Am I writing it correct? Is this the letter I? Yes. This is I. And then here, small letter I. And next, tell me. J. Correct. This is capital J. And this is small letter J. Is it right? Yes. After J, K. See? This is capital K. How to write small letter K? You're right. It's the same way. But I'm going to write only between two blue lines. This is small letter K. And don't forget to take the finger space. After K, L. Capital L, small letter L. And after L, M. See? Capital M and small letter M. What comes after M? N. S. This is capital N, small letter N. And now I'm going to write the alphabet. You tell me what is this? Tell loudly. O. Yes. This is O. N. O. P. capital P, small letter P. What comes after P? What alphabet is this? This is Q, capital Q and small letter Q. And this is R. Yes, capital R, small letter R. Then finger space, capital S, small letter S. Then again finger space, capital T, small letter T. What comes after T? U. This is capital U, small letter U. What comes after U? V. Capital V, small v. And what comes after V? W. Capital W. And this is small letter W. What comes after W? What comes after X? Y. Capital Y and small letter Y. And then a finger space again. What is the last alphabet? Z. Capital Z and small letter Z. This is how you should write A to Z neatly in your books. Alright? Very good, children.
First, let's start right with the date, children. Today's date is 18 1/8/18, small sleeping line, 2, small sleeping line, 21. What is the date today? 18, small sleeping line, 2, small sleeping line, 21. Start from the second blue line, go up with the slanting line, go up, touch the first blue line, take a small turn like a circle, come straight and touch the first blue line and come down and touch the second blue line with a small tail. Cursive small letter R. One more time, children. Start with the second blue line, go up with the slanting line, touch the first blue line, take a small turn like one circle, come straight, touch the first blue line and come down and touch the second blue line with a small tail. Cursive small letter R. One more time. Start with the second blue line with the slanting line, go up, touch the first blue line, take a small turn like one circle, come straight and go touch the first blue line, come down on the same line and touch the second blue line with a small tail. Cursive small letter R. The small cursive letter S. Start with the second blue line by slanting line, touch the first blue line, take a small turn like a circle, come down with the slanting line, and touch the second blue line. Take a small curve and come back on the same curve and give a small tail. One more time. Start with the second blue line by slanting line. Touch the first blue line. Take a small turn like a circle. Come down with the slanting line and touch the second blue line and take a small curve and come back on the same curve and give a small tail. One more time. Start with the second blue line by slanting line. Touch the first blue line. Take a turn like a circle. Come down with the slanting line and touch the second blue line and take a small curve. Come back on the same curve and give a small tail. Cursive small letter S. Now start writing in the English workbook. First, write the date as 18 small sleeping line, 2 small sleeping line, 21. Now complete page number 46. The cursive small letter R. And in page number 47, complete cursive small letter S.
Namaste children, welcome to writing session. Open new page in English classwork. Write today's date 1/8/18 small sleeping line 2 small sleeping line 2/1/21. Parents kindly write the heading write you words. Let us start writing you words. Cub, cub. Cub, cub. Cub. Write 3 times. Then rub, rub. 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 Then tub. Tub. Like this, write 3 times. Then leave one line. Next, cup. Cup. Then pup. U P up. Up. Like this, write neatly. Namaste children, welcome to today's home activity session. When guests come to your home, what you have to do? You have to welcome them by saying Namaste. After Namaste, offer them with 1 glass of water.